Hello viewers, so today it's a very quick unboxing of something that arrived today through the post that I bought the other day, and it is some darts, Red Dragon Javelin Darts, 24 grams. As I said, just arrived through the post. This little package, so let's open it up and have a look. Apparently the Javelin darts are the longest barrels ever produced by Red Dragon, so I'm looking forward to seeing these. There we go, they come in the bar wallet, as it's called, Red Dragon on the front there. We have a guarantee card, and let's open this up, and here we go, and there they go. Well, they fly well. Javelin darts, I'll say 24 gram, the ideal weight that I use. They're all very long. There you go. 85% tungsten. So I've got these direct from Red Dragon. It says Red Dragon on the stem. So they're the darts. Also come with a set of flights. Team Red Dragon, very nice. 3 darts, of course 3 flights. Just put the flight in, see how it looks. Very smart. They've got a nice grip actually. Obviously I haven't thrown these yet, I will be doing in a minute. And I think I'm going to get on really well with them. Yeah, so it's the Red Dragon 24 gram Javelin darts. As I said, 85% tungsten. If you do want to buy anything from Red Dragon, they've got the catalogue. Excuse the young lady on the front, no one wants to see that, do they? That's it, ain't more inside. Trust me, it is a darts catalogue. Oh, there's some, look. And they've got a massive selection in there. And if you'd like a copy of this, you can go onto the reddragondarts.com website, where you can give them a call on 01656 652 121 and again request a catalogue. They do things like personalised flights, stems. I think they even engrave barrels to whatever you want on there, I think. But yeah, there's obviously more information and everything in their actual catalogue. So that's it. As I say, I went for the Red Dragon Javelins because it's the style of dart that I throw, but they've got a massive selection in there, different varieties, sizes, weights, everything. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe. I'll see you for my next video. Thanks, bye.